Reverse mortgages can be a great tool when used appropriately, and that's what I want to touch upon. Some of the good and not so good uses of the funds from a reverse mortgage. Now, what are some of the not so good uses? We sit down with many folks who tell us they want to take the money and put it in their savings account or a CD to offset the interest. Now, why is this not a good idea? You must remember, interest is not charged on the money until withdrawn and actually put in your pocket. If you're looking for security, you want to leave the money in the line of credit and think of it as an additional tax-free savings account. When you need the money, all you have to do is request in advance, and only then will interest start accruing on the money you withdraw. The money you do not use will be growing in your line of credit, and I'm going to explain this in a minute with an example. Another not so good use is purchasing an annuity with the proceeds, especially if the person or the company giving you the reverse mortgage is also recommending the annuity. Our company, Senior Equity Financial, does not advise this, as a majority of the time it is not a good financial decision. It may be a good idea to get a second opinion if someone is trying to sell you an annuity, or give us a call and we'll be happy to give you an objective opinion. Now, what are some of the good uses of a reverse mortgage? One good use is using the advances to pay premiums on a long-term care policy. If your goal is to stay in the home long-term, even in the event of future health concerns, then this can be a tremendous planning option. Another good use, which we are seeing more and more of, is to offset withdrawals from your tax-deferred investments with the tax-free proceeds of a reverse mortgage. I'm going to elaborate on this with a couple we helped increase their net worth through the use of a reverse mortgage. Lastly, as I mentioned before, establishing a credit line is a great planning option. Many people think that the older they are, the more money they can receive. Intuitively, this sounds right, but we are going to show you how you could actually create more equity available through leveraging a line of credit.